To replace the trunk jacks, go to the back of your vehicle. To ensure that the trunk stays open, use a large broom so that the jacks are completely accessible. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the metal clips on the side that is easiest to get to. So that they don't jump out, put slight pressure on it with your finger. Repeat the operation on the other side. Pull slightly on each side of the jack to free it from its holding. On reassembly, there's no need to remove the clips. They have been designed to separate naturally. Position each one of the jack in front of its fixing point and exert light pressure. Repeat the operation on the other side. Remove the broom and close the trunk. Operation completed.